Crazybaby has a growing line of audio devices, and today I'm going to be reviewing their newest edition, the Air 1S. Hey guys, your Tech Dude here, and let's get into the video. But first, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. The Air 1S by Crazybaby are Crazybaby's newest fully wireless earbuds. They started out with the first Air by Crazybaby, went to the Air Nano, a much smaller version, and now the Air 1S. There are a lot of things to love about these new earbuds, not the least of which is the build quality. They come in this metal charging capsule that feels great, looks great, and is all around a nice product. Inside the capsule, you get the two fully wireless earbuds. Now, something that surprised me was the earbuds are actually made of plastic. From the pictures, you expect metal. However, you have to learn not to make assumptions about these things. They still feel great, and they still feel like they will last. And they might even be more durable than metal in terms of scratching. At least they match the color, right? Now, one of my favorite things about the new Air 1S is the fit. The previous Air Nano were a solid pair of earbuds, but they tended to fall out of my ears every once in a while. The new Air 1S feel totally secure and like they're not going to fall out no matter what I do. I've used them sitting down, lying down, biking, and they feel secure no matter what I do. The microphones on these earbuds are also very good. I've tested with some calls, and I also did a recording with them, and it all sounds really good. Now, another thing that Crazybaby has definitely done their best on the new Air 1S is charging. On the previous generations of the Air earbuds, you've really had to kind of play around with the earbud in the case to make sure it's on the contact points. If you didn't know about fully wireless earbuds, pretty much all of them charge by putting them in a capsule. The Air 1S seamlessly snap into the charging case, similarly to AirPods. There's no moving them around, you just drop them in and they stick magnetically. The battery life so far has been really good. Now, I haven't used them so extensively, so I can't make any promises about that, but from what I can tell so far, they seem like they're going to last you a good long while, especially the case battery. I haven't had to charge it once since I got them. Now, with every product, there are some negatives, of course, the first of which is the size of the charging capsule. One of the things that definitely won me over with the Air Nano was their size. The charging capsule was probably about the same in volume as the AirPods case. However, the Air 1S are much longer. They're about the same width as the Air Nano capsule, but seems like a little overkill to me. Battery is a good thing, but the Air Nano case lasted me a good long while just the same these do, and I don't really think they needed to make it any bigger. My biggest complaint about the Air 1S is synchronization. Crazybaby has had this problem in the past, and it's just a little bit irritating. The audio and video don't completely sync up when paired with certain devices. I haven't really figured out the trick to get these to work perfectly yet, but I have gotten it. Contrary to the AirPods, the Air 1S use physical buttons to control things, and there are a lot of options. They aren't customizable. However, you can play, pause, skip tracks, hang up a call, pick up a call, that's the word I was looking for. You can even launch whatever virtual assistant you have on the device you're connected to. Audio devices are always a personal thing, so I'm not going to suggest to you whether to buy them or not, but hopefully with my pros and cons on the product, you get a better idea of what it's like. So as always, thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video if you liked it, and if you didn't, that's okay too. But before you hit the thumbs down, be sure to turn off auto rotate, turn your screen upside down, and then go for it. Give me a dislike, that's okay, I don't mind. So be sure to turn on notifications like I said before, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.